Ready to start freelancing? Here is how to quickly create a professional Fiverr account and start selling in 2026. Head to fiverr.com and click Join. Use your Google account or email to sign up instantly and choose a professional username. Once you're in, click your profile picture and select Become a Seller. Follow the continue prompts until you reach the personal info page. Complete your phone and email verification, hit finish, and you're ready to create your first gig and get paid. Subscribe for more lightning fast tips to grow your freelance business.